become successful trader, you need to be consistent and disciplined. You need to stick to a well-defined methodology, set of rules, strategy that works for you. What works for you not necessarily will work for me, and what works for me not necessarily will work for you. But consistency is the key. Show up every day and execute trades with the same set of rules. You need to learn from experienced traders, practice, patience, discipline, risk management, of course, on the technical side and on the mental side. For me, it took almost 2 years to come with my set of rules, with my strategy, with my risk management on the technical side and on the mental side. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Hey there, Tamir from FIBONACCI'S.com here. Thank you very much for joining another video. In this video, we'll go over 5 stocks with a potential of an upside between 20 to 50%. So hit the like, subscribe, share with friends, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. Baba, Chinese name. We have a trend line, red one, that helps us to identify that since October 2020, Baba is in a very steep downtrend, but in the past several weeks or so, the 80 is holding and Baba is trying to get above this red trend line. 4 or 5 days above this red trend line, then we can start thinking about taking long position. And as we can see on the daily, above 34 towards 98 and then all the way to 113 on the daily. On the weekly, we can take also Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, above 95 towards 104, and then we are going towards 121, above 121, which will be a very tough resistance. Only by looking left, we can see that since November 2021, each and every time, Baba's price got rejected by the 121. Above 121, in my opinion, the road towards 182 is clear. And of course, it's only my opinion. Never follow anyone blindly on social media, paid or free services. Follow to get ideas, but in the end of the day, you need to do your own due diligence because it's your money. IQ, Ichi, it's the Chinese Netflix, Amazon Prime, Live TV, all on the same app. And as we can see, bounced off the 50% we had. Uptrend, retraced, 50% dojis, 2 consecutive weeks to the upside. Now we are waiting for a break above the 620. And then we are heading towards the 8 on the daily. Also here, we can wait above the 610. Then we are going 680 and all the way to 8. 8 will be a very tough resistance. It was a very important level of support. And here, during January and February earlier this year, it was a very tough resistance for almost 3 months, breaking up and above. Then, in my opinion, next will be 15 and 17 to the upside. So pay attention to IQ. XPEV is next, another Chinese EV. Very nice car, great car. We have 12 to the upside, very tough resistance in the past. Since end of 2022, breaking up and above, we are going towards the 14, above 14, 1980 will be next, in my opinion. On the daily, always zoom in, zoom out to get a better point of view. As you can see, the 1160, 12 is a very tough resistance. Above it, we are going towards the 13, above 13, and 15. Baidu. We all know Baidu, the Chinese Google. 160, very tough resistance. We can draw a line over here. Above 160, where price might be heading next. 170, 180, and 210. And of course, if you want, you can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. And it gives you all the levels that you need. As you can see, above 160, 200 will be the next major resistance on Baidu. We can start taking long position above 150 towards the 160, above 160, 175, 195, and then 220 to the upside. Follow price, use levels and trend lines as your guide for future price action. As we can clearly see on NEO, we have a road to the downside. Each and every time NEO's bulls tried to break up and above this upper red trend line, perfectly got rejected. We have the lower red trend line to help us identify the lower lows, and we have this middle trend line for the middle lower lows. And as you can see, it's a road to the downside. But if money will start getting in the Chinese stocks, NEO, in my opinion, will be the first one to pop up. So we are waiting. If we zoom in to the daily, we are waiting for a break above the 1040. Above 1040, in my opinion, 1323 will be the next. Above it, we have all the levels to the upside, 1580, 1970, and 25 to the upside. We need to follow price, use levels and trend lines as our risk management and also as our guide roadmap for future price action. Check the links in the description below for more educational resources. We have the Fibonacci Playlist Academy, we have the podcast, we have newsletter, we have the Discord, and we have, of course, the one-on-one live mentorship program and the online program, same as the mentorship, but it's online, pre-recorded. Both programs will gain you access, lifetime access, support, guidance, and all Discord channels until you will become your own indicator and you will be able to make your own decisions. Check the links in the description below. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends, will be much appreciated. Don't forget to check my top stocks to watch for the coming week and the weekly market review videos, all with trading plan for the coming week. Until the opening bell, stay safe.